ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ नमो भगवते वैवस्वताय मृत्यवे ब्रह्मविद्याचार्याय नचिकेतसे च। Mantra number 3, second chapter, Pratamavali, Tritiya mantra. येन रूपं रसं गन्धं
येन रूपं रसं गन्धं
शब्दान् स्पर्शांश्च मैथुनान्
शब्दान् स्पर्शांश्च मैथुनान्
एतेनैव विजानाति
एतेनैव विजानाति
किमत्र परिशिष्यते
किमत्र परिशिष्यते
एतद्वैतत् स्वप्नान्तं जागरितान्तं शोभौ येनानुपश्यति महान्तं विभुमात्मानं मत्वा धीरो न शोचति। यहिमं मध्वदं वेद आपानं जीवमन्तिकात्
आपानं जीवमन्तिकात्
ईशानं भूतभव्यस्य
ईशानं भूतभव्यस्य
ततो विजुगुप्सते
ततो विजुगुप्सते
एतद्वैतत्
एतद्वैतत्
यः पूर्वं तपसो जातम्
यः
पूर्वं तपसो जातम्
अद्यः पूर्वमजायत
अद्य
पूर्वमजायत
गुहां प्रविश्य तिष्ठन्तम्
गुहां
प्रविश्य
तिष्ठन्तम्
तिष्ठन्तम्
यो भूतेभिर्व्यपश्यत
यो
देव्यपश्यत
एतद्वैतत्
एतद्वैतत्
This mantra, along with Bhashyam, we have seen the last class. This mantra, the essence of this mantra is Hiranyagarbha, that is Samashti, Sukshma, Sharira, Upagita, Atma, Chaitanyam. Hiranyagarbha, Adbyaha, before the water. Before the Panchabhutebhyaha, Purvam, Pratamam. Purvam is the beginning, Pratamam. Utpannaha, Ajayata. So, Hiranyagarbha, born in the beginning, before the Panchamahabhuta. Before Panchamahabhutanis were born. That is before Stula, Sukshma, Samashti, Sukshma, Sharira, that is Upadi, Upagita Chaitanyam, from Ishvara, Brahmanaha, Ajayata, iti. Pratamam. How it is Tapasaha, Brahmanaha Tapasaha, Purvam Jatam. From the tapas of Brahma, Ishvara, this Hiranyagarbha was born, Purvam. Yaha Pashyati, Yaha referring to Mumukshuhu, Jignasuhu, Yaha Pashyati, Vyapashyata, Pashyati, Yaha Pashyati, Saha Janati, Saha Brahma iti Janati. Hiranyagarbha is not different from Brahma. Hiranyagarbha is Karya Brahma with reference to Ishvara, which is the Karanam. So Karyam is not different from Karanam. Yaha Mumukshuhu Pashyati, that the one who sees that, Saha, the one who sees Hiranyagarbha, the Karyam, the one who sees the pot, he sees the clay also, he sees the Karanam also. So when he sees the pot, he understands, he sees the clay only. Seeing the pot is not seeing the clay. He sees the clay only. Brahma eva pashyati. Hiranyagarbha brahmanaha abhinnaha. Therefore, yaha pashyati saha brahma iti janati. Brahma eva pashyati. And that Hiranyagarbha alone, it has entered the Hridaya Guha of all the individuals. Hiranyagarbha is total, and in individuals in the form of Taijasa, it has entered in the arts of all the beings. Taijasa is Vyashti, Sukshma Sharira, Abhimani, Chaitanyam. Upadi Vedat. Upadi Vedat, the same Chaitanyam has got different names at the level of Sukshma. Hiranyagarbha, Taijasa, at the Sukshma level. And here these mantras, where the Aikyam is presented through Hiranyagarbha. Presented through Hiranyagarbha. This is the gist of this mantra. We have seen the Vashyam. Vashakar beautifully explained the mantra. Then the same Hiranyagarbha, further it is presented. The same Hiranyagarbha alone is presented. Through Hiranyagarbha, the Aikyam is presented. The next mantra, it is 7th mantra, we will read. Ya pranena sambhavati
या
या
प्राणेन
प्राणेन
संभवति
संभवति
Adithirdevatamai
आदित्यदेवतामयि
Guham pravishya tishtanti
गृहाण
गुहां प्रविश्य
प्रविशन्ति
तिष्ठन्ति
Ya bhutebhirvyajayat
प्रविश्य तिष्ठन्ति
या
या
भूतेर्व्यजायत
etadvaitat.
एतद्वैतत्
Okay. See the simple meaning of the mantra. Here the Hiranyagarbha, the previous mantra, Yaha was used, Yaha Pullinga. Here Ya Pranena, Ya is Trilinga. So Hiranyagarbha is presented as, you will see, it is presented as Aditi. The word Aditi. Aditi is used in the mantra. Ya Aditihi. Ya Aditihi. Hiranyagarbha, which is Samashti Prana Shakti, Hiranyagarbha, which is that Hiranyagarbha which is born in the form of Samashti Prana Shakti. Ya Pranena, the word Prana. Prana is, here is Prana is Hiranyagarbha, Samashti Prana, which is the Shakti. Samashti Prana Shakti. And therefore, the Samashti Prana Shakti, which is Hiranyagarbha, which is referred to by the word Aditi. So, Aditi. Aditi is the goddess. The goddess which comprises all the devatas. Sarva Devata Mayi Aditi, which is in the form of Hiranyagarbha, Samashti Prana Shakti, which is born along with the Bhuta. Bhuta is Panchabhuta. So the one who knows this Aditi, which is Hiranyagarbha, which has Guham Pravesha Tishtanti, which has entered the Guha of all the beings, that person knows. That person knows. So Hiranyagarbha, which is the Samashti Sukshma Sharira Chaitanyam, which includes Samashti Prana. Prana is part of the Sukshma. We have seen Saptadasha Kalabhihi Saha Yagatashthati Tat Sukshma Shariram Iti Tattva Bodha Visa. Sukshma Sharira has got all these 17 components. Pancha Jnanendriyani, Pancha Karmendriyani, Pancha Pranadayaha, Manascha Ekam, Buddhischa Eka Iti, Saptadasha Kala, 17 components Sukshma Sharira as. So, when it comes to Samashti Sukshma Sharira, then Pancha Prana. Therefore, we say total Prana. Samashti Prana, total Prana, which is Hiranyagarbha. So, Hiranyagarbha, which has is Samashti Prana Shakti, which is important, which is because of which the Jiva survives. So, here, instead of directly using the word Hiranyagarbha, it uses the word Prana, Samashti Prana, total Prana. And the same Hiranyagarbha is referred to another word also. Sarva Devata Mayi. It's a beautiful word, Sarva Devata Mayi. Devata means deity. Devata mai deity, the god, goddess, god or goddess. Each, we have seen in Tattvabodha, each Indriya, Jnanendriya, Karmendriya, it's all preceded by a Devata. At all this individual and samashti level. What an individual enjoys at the Veshti level, that at the total level presided by a Devata. Whatever the individual, a Veshti, a Jiva enjoys, the faculty of the perception through 5 sense organs, that faculty at the total level presided by a Devata. Because of the grace of Devata, only that individual Veshti Jiva enjoys that particular faculty of perception, whether it is seeing, or whether it's touching, or hearing, or tasting, or smelling. So, Sabda Sparsha Rupa Rasa Gandha iti, for the 5, for the 5 we have got corresponding 5 sense organs. For the perception of 5 elements, we have got 5 sense organs: Shotram, Tvaka, Chakshu, Rasana, Granam. And each have got the presiding Devata. At the total, there's got each presiding Devata. Shrotrasya Dik Devata. Shrotra is Karnasya. Similarly, Tvacho Vayuhu. Vayu is a Devata for Tvak. Tvak stands for the touch. So Vayu Devata. Chakshushaha Suryaha. Suryaha is Adityaha, Surya Bhagavan. Suryaha, Surya Devata, is the presiding Devata for the Netrendriya, Chakshurindriya. Surya, that Surya Devata, because of the grace of the Surya Devata, the individual enjoys the faculty of seeing. Rasanayaha Varunaha, Varuna Bhagavan is the presiding deity of taste. Granasya Ashwini Devatas. Similarly, for Karmendriyas also. Vagpani Pada Payu Upasta. These are the Karmendriya. Each Karmendriya presided by its corresponding Devata. For the Vak, the Devata is Agni Devata. That is why there is heat as well as light when the person speaks. If he is a knowledgeable person, light will be there. If he is an emotional person, heat will be there. So Vachaha Devata Agnihi. And for hands, the Devata is Indra. Indra is a Devata. Padayor Vishnuhu. Payoho Mrityuhu. Mrityu Devata for Payu. Payu is that by which Malatyaga is done. That is called Payu. Upastasya Prajapatihi Devata. So each Jnanendriya, each Karmendriya, which an individual, a Jiva, enjoys, is presiding by the Devata at the total. Because of these presiding Devatas, only the individual enjoys the faculty of this Karmendriya, Jnanendriya. And at the total level, this Jnanendriya, Karmendriya, which are the part of the Sukshma Shariram, at the total level presiding by these Devata, Dik Devata, Vayu Devata, Surya Devata, Varuna, Ashwini, Ityadi, all these Devatas, the sum total of these Devatas is Hiranyagarbha. So Sarva Devata Mayi is the Samashti Sukshma Shariram of Hiranyagarbha. It consists of which consists of all the indriyas, and therefore the devatas presiding over all these indriyas. So the sum total of all the devatas, Surya Devata, Dig Devata, the sum total of all the devatas, for each specific faculty, each devata is there, the sum total of all devatas is Hiranyagarbha. So Hiranyagarbha Hiranyagarbha includes all the devatas. Therefore, Sarva Devata Mayi, all the devatas, the Devata Samuha is Hiranyagarbha. So the first description was Prana Samashti, Prana Shakti Hiranyagarbha. The second one is Sarva Devata Mayi. And Upanishad uses the word Aditi. Aditihi. Aditi is a nice word. Aditi. Aditi, Ditihi. There are two wives to Kashyapa. In the Purana, the word Aditi and Diti. Aditi, Diti, they were two wives of Kashyap Muni. Kashyapa. So Aditi is a wife and who is the mother of all the devatas. Aditi. In Purana, Aditi, mother of all the devatas, and Diti is the mother of all the demons, Daityas. Daityanam Mata Diti. Ditihi. Whereas Devatanam Mata Aditihi. So, and Devata and Daityas, they are always hostile to each other, enemies. So, in Purana also, the Aditi, the wife of Kashyapa, is the mother of all the devatas. So Diti and Aditi, the opposite to each other. Ditehe virodini, Aditihi. The one who is opposed to Diti is Aditi. But here, it is not the wife, here it means Hiranyagarbha. And Hiranyagarbha is called by the word Aditi. Why? Because Adanat Aditihi. It is from the dhatu Ad. Ad means to eat. The one who consumes. The one who consumes is called Aditi. What does it consume? It consumes everything. It consumes through not only the consumptions only through the mouth. The consumption is the consumption through all the sense organs. That is a consumption. Whether it is Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasagandha, all these are known because of Jnanendriya, and Jnanendriya, Samashti, all the Jnanendriyas, which are part of Sukshma, the individual, at the total level presiding by these devatas, they are responsible for the perception of these five elements. The whole Jagat is nothing but made up of these five elements. Therefore, the conception for the eyes is perception of seeing. That is a conception. That is what it eats. It is presented as eating, as though the eye eats the form, the color of objects. Similarly, these parsha, the skin, for skin, the conception, the object of eating is the touch. Similarly, for the tongue, the object of eating is rasa, taste. Similarly, for the eyes, it is rupa, form or color. For gandha, for the nose, it is smell. Smell is what the object of eating for the nose. Therefore, it is called Aditihi. Aditi need not be only the specific, the annam, the food, literal food. Anything which is consumed, adyate, iti annam, anything which is consumed, the particular faculty of sense organ consumes a particular particular annam. Therefore, it is called aditi. For shabda, for the shabda is a food. Shabda is the annam for Shrotrendriya. Sparsha is the annam for, is the food for, it is the food for Tugendriya. Similarly, Rupa is the annam for Chakshurendriya. Iti, all the five types of annam. Five types of annam referring to the five elements. Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha. They are consumed by whom? Consumed by the individual because of this samashti Hiranyagarbha. That's of Hiranyagarbha only individual are able to consume these five types of annam. Therefore, the total Hiranyagarbha is called Aditihi. The Hiranyagarbha is called Aditihi, referred to by the word Aditihi in this mantra. So therefore, Hiranyagarbha, which is present in all the individual bodies, which consists of all the devatas, Hiranyagarbha present in all the bodies, which are behind the perception of sense organs, which have corresponding devatas. It is what referred to by the word Aditihi. So, ya pranena sambhavati. Ya pranena sambhavati. Ya devatamayi. Ya pranena sambhavati. Ya bhutebihi vijayata sa aditihi. Sa aditihi. She is Aditi, who is the total sum of all the devatas, the sum total of all the devatas, and who is in the form of pranena sambhavati. Ya pranena sambhavati. In the form pranena, yes, tritiya bhakti, prana rupena. It is ittam bhute tritiya, who is in the form of the Hiranyagarbha. Prana here means Hiranyagarbha. Samashti prana. Samashti prana is Hiranyagarbha. So the one who is in the form of the Hiranyagarbha, the one who is in the form of the total of all the devatas, and who is bhutebihi, the one who is born along with bhuta, panchabhuta, along with the elements, panchabhuta. Bhutebihi, in fact, bhuta purva, before the panchabhutas were born, bhutebihi vijayata. That, what is that? Aditi. The one who sees this Aditi as Gugam pravishya tishtantim. Tishtantim, it is Trilinga. Tishtantim, Satranta, Tishtantim, Ditya Bhakti. So, Yaha Mumukshuhu Tishtant Gugam pravishya tishtantim sa tam aditim pashyati. Saha Veda. What? Brahma eva iti Veda. The one who sees Guham pravishya tishtantim, having entered the Guga, the one who resides there, tishtantim, tam, yaha pashyati, the one who sees her, that is Aditi, saha Veda, he knows what? That Aditi is not different from Brahma. Saveda Brahma eva iti Veda. Saha Brahma eva iti Veda. Etat vaitat. Tat etat. Tat yat nachiketasa prishtam. Tat referring to the tattvam which the Nachiketa asked for it. The Atmajnana which he asked. Nachiketasa prishtam tattvam tat etat. This is what it is. This is what it is. Etat vaitat. This is the meaning of this, the mantra. So, therefore, the samashti sukshma sharina abhimana So Chaitanyam, Hiranyagarbha, which is in the form of Taijasa, identified with the individual upadhi, mind, sense organs, which experiences or which consumes, which is the bhokta, and this at bhokta alone is called by the name Aditi, and that Hiranyagarbha, Aditi, is not different from Brahma, the one who knows us. He knows. This is what Nachiketa asked. Now we will read the Vibhashyam. Ya Sarva Devata Mahi. The mistake is a Sara. It is not Sarva. Sarva Devata. Ya Sarva Devata Mahi.
या
या
सर्वदेवतामयी
सर्वदेवतामयी
Sarva Devatatmika Pranena Hiranyagarbha Rupena.
सर्वदेवतात्मिका
सर्वदेवतात्मिका
प्राणेन
प्राणेन
हिरण्यगर्भरूपेण
हिरण्यगर्भरूपेण
Parasmat Brahmanah
परस्मात्
परस्मात्
ब्रह्मणः
ब्रह्मणः
Sambhavati
सम्भवति
सम्भवति
Shabdadinam Adanat
शब्दादीनाम्
शब्दादीनाम्
अदनात्
अदनात्
Aditihi
अतिथिः
Tam Purvavat
तां पूर्ववत्
पूर्ववत्
Guham Pravishya
गुहां प्रविश्य
Tishtantim Aditim.
तिष्ठन्तीम् अदितिम्
अदितिम्
Aditi Shabdadi Vishayanam Adana Kartra Pranena. Maniprabha Tikakara says Shabdadi Vishayanam Adana Kartra Pranena Prana Gatita Sukshma Sharira Upadikena Hiranyagarbha Rupena Sambhavati. Ya Aditihi Sambhavati. So Pranena in the form of prana. That is Ittam Bhute Tritiya, one type of Tritiya Vibhakti. There are Tritiya Vibhakti, we have seen many types are there. Karane Tritiya, Kartari Tritiya. The Karaka, we know it is Karane Tritiya, Ittam Bhute Tritiya, Heto Tritiya. When it is Ittam Bhute Tritiya, it is translated as in the form of Jnana Yogena Sankhyanam, Karma Yogena Yoginam. In Gita, there we translate in the form of Jnana Yoga, in the form of Karma Yoga. Lokeshu Dvividha Nishtha, Pura Prokta Mayanagha, Jnana Yogena Sankhyanam, Karma Yogena Yoginam. Tritiya Vibhakti, Jnana Yogena, Karma Yogena iti. That is Ittam Bhute, in the form of. It is translated in the form of. Here, Hiranyagarbha Rupena. Bhashyakara also says Pranena is equal to Hiranyagarbha Rupena, in the form of Hiranyagarbha. So, Ya Sarva Devata Mayi. Sarva Devata Mayi, it is there in the mantra, which is equal to Sarva Devatatmika. Sarva Devatatmika, which includes all the gods, that Hiranyagarbha. Hiranyagarbha is Pullinga. Here Ya is used because it is referred to by the word Aditi. Therefore, Ya. What is the gender for Brahma or Hiranyagarbha, Ishvara? It is Linga Titam. So, Ya Yaha, it's got no meaning. It is only for our usage. We can use Ya Yaha. So we don't have to be very particular about to use Yaha or Ya. For Brahma, we can, the Brahma is Napumsakalinga. The same Brahma is referred to by the word Atma. Atma is Pullinga. The gender changes. but it is talking about Atma, the Tattva. Where is the gender for it? So therefore, this demonstrative pronouns has got nothing. Ya or Yaha. So Ya Sarvadevata Mayi, Sarvadevatatmika, Ya Hiranyagarbha. That Hiranyagarbha which is in the form of Samashti Prana. Hiranyagarbha Rupena. Pranena is there, which is Hiranyagarbha. Hiranyagarbha Rupena. In the form of Hiranyagarbha. Parasmat Brahmanaha Sambhavati. Sambhavati, the word is that. What is Sambhavati? Sambhavati means born. Ya Pranena Sambhavati. Ya Aditi, which is Sarvadevata Mayi, Ya Sambhavati, which is born. Hiranyagarbha is born. Hiranyagarbha is born from what? It is born from Parasmat Brahmanaha. That is Samashti Sukshma Sharira is born from Samashti Karana Sharira. Hiranyagarbha, Samashti Sukshma Sharira, Sagita Chaitanyam is born from this Samashti Karana Sharira, Chaitanyam Atma, which is referred to by the name technically Ishvara. From Ishvara. From Ishvara it is born. Parasmat Brahmanaha. Here Parasmat Brahmana is Sopadika. Sopadika Brahma, which is Brahma with Upadi. Karana Sharim is a Upadi. Brahma with the Karana Sharim Upadi. From that, this Hiranyagarbha is born. So Hiranyagarbha is Karyam with reference to the Karanam Ishvara, Karanam Brahma, Ishvara. So, and from Hiranyagarbha only the Virat. Virat is the Samashti, Stula Sharira, Abhimani, Chaitanyam is born. That is Karya Brahma. So, Parasmat Brahmanaha here, it means Parasmat Brahmanaha referred to that Ishvara. Samashti, Sukshma Sharira, Abhimani, Chaitanyam. From that, this Hiranyagarbha is born. So Parasmat Brahmanaha, Maya Upadika Brahmanaha ityartaha. From Maya Upadika Brahmanaha, this born. Hiranyagarbha is born. Then Maya Upadika Brahmana is born. Then Shabdadinam Adanat. Adanat Adadatu. Adanat eating. Because eating of what? Shabdadinam. Shabdadinam are the food. Because of eating of Shabdas, etc. Shabdas, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha. Referring to the sense objects. Referring to the sense objects. The sense organs eat those sense objects. The perception of sense organs is presented as the conception, eating. Therefore, Adanat, Shabdadinam Adanat, Hiranyagarbha is called Aditihi. The one who eats, the one who consumes, the individual, that is the Tejasa, the Samashti, Karana, Sharira, Sahita Chaitanyam, which consumes, that is the Tejasa, in the individual Upadhi, consumes this sense objects through sense organs. Therefore, it has got the name Aditi, Tam, Aditim, which is Hiranyagarbha. The individual, it is Tejasa. The total, it is called by the name Hiranyagarbha, because individual is not different from the total. Hiranyagarbha. Therefore, it is referred to by the word Adanat. Shabdadinam Adanat. The individual enjoys the power of the total. In the limited way, it enjoys. So, therefore, Aditi, Hiranyagarbha. Aditi is not different from Hiranyagarbha. This Aditi, Purvavat, before, as before. What is before? That is in the previous mantra we saw. The same Mukham Pravishya Tishtanti. The previous mantra also talked the same way. Talked about the same thing. The same Upanishad, the same words are repeated. Guham Pravishya Tishtantam Yaha Bhutebir Vijayata Vipashyata. Bhutebir Vipashyata. The previous mantra, the second line. Here also the same. Guham Pravishya Tishtantim. Who have entered into the Guha and resides there. Guham Pravishya Tishtantim. Tishtantim Aditim. What? The next line. Tameva Vishinashti.
तामेव
तामेव
विशिनष्टि
विशिनष्टि
Ya Bhutevihi.
या
या
भूतेभिः
भूतेभिः
Bhutaihi.
भूतैः
भूतैः
Samanvita Vijayata.
समन्विता
समन्विता
व्यजायत
व्यजायत
Utpanna iti etat.
उत्पन्ना
उत्पन्ना
इति
इति
एतत्
एतत्
So Tam eva, Tam referring to that Aditi, that Hiranyagarbha, Vishinashti. Hiranyagarbha alone is distinguished, Vishinashti, by the Upanishad. So that Hiranyagarbha alone is described, is distinguished. Vishinashti. Vishinashti is Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam. Shish Dhatu with V Upasarga. It is present that Tam eva Vishinashti. It is Upanishad Vishinashti. Upanishad is distinguishes Tam eva, that Aditim eva. Ya Aditihi Bhutebihi. Bhutebihi means there is no Bhutebihi. It is Chandasam. It is Bhutaihi. So Bhutebihi is equal to Bhutaihi. Bhutaihi means Panchamaha Bhuta. Bhutaihi, Tritiya Vibhakti. So Bhutaihi Saha, along with the Bhutas, Pancha Mahabhuta, Samanvita, endowed with this Pancha Mahabhuta. The one along with the Pancha Mahabhuta. The one who along with the Pancha Mahabhuta, Samanvita, Au Karya Karana Lakshanehi. This is Pancha Mahabhuta, Karya. That is from the previous mantra. Karya Karana Lakshanehi. We saw Karana Karya Lakshanehi Vijayata. That Karya Karana. Karya Karana. Karya is the Shariram, Karana is the sense organ. So this Pancha Mahabhuta, which is in the form of this body, mind, sense complex. Vijayata Utpanna. So this Hiranyagarbha, which is endowed with this Pancha Mahabhuta, in the form of that Panchamahabhuta in the form of Karya Karana Lakshanehi, in the form of this body, mind, senses, Vijayata. That Hiranyagarbha is born, endowed with all the elements in the form of the body and sense organs, is born. Hiranyagarbha is born. That is the meaning. Hiranyagarbha, which is the total of all the elements in the form of all the bhutas in the form of sense organs and all the beings, is born. The one who sees is Hiranyagarbha. As what? As Brahma. That person knows Brahma. Yaha pashyati, saha pashyati. Yah pashyati, sa pashyati. Yaha pashyati, sa pashyati. He alone sees who sees this tattvam, this truth. He alone sees. He who sees this, he alone understands this tattva. The one who sees this Hiranyagarbha, he alone understands Brahma. As the Hiranyagarbha is not different from Brahma iti. So Hiranyagarbha is not different from Brahma. At the individual, it is Hiranyagarbha. Upadhi Veda is there, but Upadhi is Mithya. Therefore, he knows Brahma. This is the meaning. Hiranyagarbha is Brahma. Etat vaitat. Then the next mantra. Kincha.
किञ्च
So far we have seen. So far the Upanishad, they presented Brahma through Hiranyagarbha. That is Samashti Sukshma Shariram. The next mantra, it is going to be presented through Stula Shariram. Stula Shariram, therefore Virat will come. Samashti Stula Sharira Sagita Upagita Chaitanyam is called Virat. So therefore, the same Brahma Atma is going to be presented. That Sarvatma, the vision is Sarvatma. Everything is Brahma. Sarvam Kalaidam Brahma, Atma. That is present, that was presented through Hiranyagarbha. Now the same thing is going to be presented in the form of Virat. So previous two mantras, it was presented in the form of Hiranyagarbha. Now this mantra is going to present the same Brahma in the form of Virat, the Sarvatma. Sarvatma at different levels. Sukshma level, now Stula level. Aranyor Nigito Jata Vedaha.
Aranyyo nihito jata
Vedaha.
Garbha iva subrto garbini bhi.
Garbhaiva
Garbhaiva
sumrito
Smrto
garbhinibihi
Garbhinibihi.
Dive dive idyo jagrvadbhihi.
dive diva
Dive
idyo
Dive Idyo
jagrvadbihi
Jagravadbihi.
Havishmadbhir manushebhiragnihi.
havishmadbhir
Avishmadbhir
manushebhiragnihi
Manushebhiragnihi.
We'll read again. Aranyyor nihito jata vedaha.
arannyo nihito
Arannyo
jata
Jata
vedaha
Vedaha.
Garbha iva subruto. It's not sumruto. Garbha iva subruto garbini bhi.
garbhaiva
Garbhaiva
sumrito
Smrto
garbhinibihi
Garbhinibihi.
Dive diva idyo jagrvadbhihi.
dive
Dive
diva
Diva
idyo
Idyo
jagrvadbihi
Jagravadbihi.
Havishmadbhir manushebhiragnihi.
havishmadbhir
Avishmadbhir
manushebhiragnihi
Manushebhiragnihi.
Etat vaitat.
एतद् वै तत्
Vaitat.
Okay. Let's see the meaning of the mantra. This Paramatma here it is presented. Paramatma which manifests as Virat. Through Virat, this Sarvatma, the Sarvatma, the Aikyam is presented. Virat is, we know, Virat is Samashti, Stula, Sharira, Upagita, Chaitanyam, Virat. So, Virat. And the Virat is presented as Agni. Hiranyagarbha was presented as Aditi, and Virat is presented as Agni. Virat, Vividam Rajate, iti Virat. Viraj, Shabda, Jakaranta Shabda, Pratipadim is Viraj. Raj plus V upasarga. Viraj becomes Virat. So Samashti, Stula, Shariram. Stula Shariram is Stula Prapancha. For Ishvara, it is Prapancha only. So when you say Shariram, it's not the individual, the limited body. Prapancha. Samashti, Stula, Shariram, when we say that Shariram, you have to understand it is Prapancha. Because Prapancha is a Shariram for the total. This limited Shariram is the Shariram for the individual. Okay, the suppose Samashti, Stula, Shariram, Shura, Upagita, Atma, Chaitanyam is Virat. That is the Chaitanyam is the Upadhi of this. The Stula Prapancha is called Virat. And with that, it manifests in many ways. Therefore, it's called Virat. Vividam Rajate. Vividam Rajate Virat. This Samashti, Stula Prapancha, is it different from Brahma? No. It is Karyam Brahma. It is not different from Brahma. From the Hiranyagarbha, it is one. Hiranyagarbha is not different from Brahma. And Virat is also being Karyam. Upadhi only. Upadhi is the only difference. Upadhi being Nitya, therefore Virat is also Brahma only. So, therefore, Virat Brahma, Karya Brahma. Utpannaha Karya Brahma. Utpannam Karyam Brahmam Utpannam. From what? Hiranyagarbhat. Pranat. Aditehe iti. And this Virat is presented in the Shastram as the Agni. Here you don't see the word Virat, but you see the word Agni. Only through Bhashyam we understand. Bhashyakara will say Virat. And Agni, in the tradition, Agni means Virat. Agni is always Agni is important. Agni means the fire where the ritual fire is without ritual. There are no rituals without fire. So the fire is not any other fire. The fire which is kindled in the Agni Kunda, that fire is Virat. That fire is Virat. The people who meditate, who do karma with the fire, or who meditate on the fire, for them it is Virat. They look upon the fire as Virat. Even for Upasaka look upon that fire as Virat. The Virat is invoked in the fire. Therefore, that Agni is called Virat. Virat Agni. So the fire which is kindled in the Homakunda. Homakunda is limited, therefore fire is limited. In that fire, the Virat is invoked. The total is invoked. In that fire, the Virat is invoked. Like these, Bhagavan, Maheshwara is invoked in the Shivalinga. Shalagrame, Vishnu Avahanam. So in the Shalagrama, Vishnu is invoked. In the Linga, Maheshwara is invoked. Similarly, in the fire, Virat is invoked. This is called Adhyaropa. It is invoked. And this Virat Agni, this Agni which is looked upon as Virat, it is worshipped by two types of people. One is the Avishmadbihi, other one is Jagrivadbihi. The Upanishad uses the word Havishmadbihi, Jagrivadbihi. Havishmadbihi means the people who do the ritual, who offer oblation into the fire, the Omakunda. Havish is what is offered, is called Havish. Vishyanam. So Avishmadbihi means the people who offer oblation into the fire. Avishmadbihi, people who do karma. Literally means people who do karma. Karmis. And Jagrivadbihi means upasakas, who do not offer physically, but they meditate on the fire as Virat. Agni is Brahma, iti, they meditate. And how this Agni is produced, this Agni for the Agni for the Homa, to light up the Homa Kunda, how it is produced? It is produced from the Arani. It is produced from the Arani. Long back I sent you the photos how in the Kumbhabhishekam, during the Kumbhabhishekam year, how the fire is produced from the Arani Matanam. They churn. 2 pieces of wood will be there. 2 pieces of Arani. The wood is Arani Kashta. 2 pieces of Kashta will be there, wood will be there. One is Uttara Kashta, Uttara Arani, other one is Adara Kashta. And these 2, Matanam, they churn the 2. The upper part will be there, upper part will be made of Arani. The lower part is also another type of wood, which is also referred, it's also a wood only. So these 2 woods are churned. The upper one is churned. The lower one will have a scoop type of thing. Will have a scoop in the middle. And the upper part of the wood is churned inside the scoop of this lower kashta, the Arani. Because of that, when it is moved, when it is churned, because of the friction, fire is produced. And the fire is kindled by the soft pieces of the raw dust or the wood. And that Agni alone is used for lighting up the Homakunda. So therefore, where is the fire now? That fire is Nigitaha, it is hidden. Uttara, Adara, Matana, Kashtayoho, Nigitaha. Uttara Kashta, Adara Kashta, upper wood and lower wood, that is upper part. The upper part of the arani and lower part of the arani, between the two, the fire is hidden. Aranyoho Nigitaha. Aranyoho Nigitaha means Uttara Adara Aranyoho Kashtayoho Nigitaha. It is hidden. That fire is hidden. And that hidden fire is presented by the Upanishad with a it's compared. It is figuratively compared to Garbha iva subruto garbini bihi. Like Garbha is covered. Like the Garbha is covered by Garbini. Garbini referring to the woman, pregnant woman. How the Garbha is covered by the Garbini. Garbha iva subrataha. Sushtu brataha. It is brataha. It is sustained. It is hold. It is maintained by the Garbini. How the Garbha is maintained by the Garbini is held by the Garbini. Similarly, this fire also. Similarly, this fire is hidden. This fire is hidden between the two aranis, two kashta, two pieces of wood. Aranyoho nigitaha jatavedaha. Jatavedas sakaranta shabda. Jatavedaha. Jataveda means that fire which represents Virat. Jatavedaha. Jatavedas. Jatavedaha, the fire. Jatavedaha is fire. That is Virat. The fire here represents Virat. So this Jatavedaha, which is Nigitaha, Aranyoho Nigitaha, and that is compared to the Garbha, which is maintained, which is held by the Garbini. And Dive Idyaha Jagrivadbihi Avishmadbihi Manushyebihi. Dive means this daily. Dive means daily. Dive, every day. It is Idyaha, Id Dhatu. Idyaha means it is worshipped, Karmani. Idyaha, Dive, Idyaha. That Agni, that Jataveda is Idyaha. It is worshipped by Jagravadbihi Manushyebihi, Havishmadbihi Manushyebihi. By the people who are Havishmadbihi, who offer fire, who offer oblation into the fire. That is, who does the karma, the karmis. And Jagravadbihi, referring to the upasakas, who meditate on the fire. Who meditate on the fire. Fire is this Jata Vedaha. Jata Vedaha. Who meditates on that fire. Jata Vedaha. Etat Vaitat Saha Agnihi. Etat Vaitat Saha Agnihi Dive Jagravadbihi Avishmadbihi Manushyebihi Idyaha Saha Agnihi. Saha Agnihi Etat Vaitat, that Agni. That Agni is this, that is Virat. That Agni is Virat. That is the Agni Tattvam. The Agni Tattvam which is Virat. Which is Virat. They meditate on that. They meditate on that Virat. As what? As not different from Brahma. It is not different from Brahma. It is not different from Brahma. That is why it is oblations are offered into it. Even that, the oblations, even we also do oblations every day. When do we do oblations? Before we eat food, we do parisheshanam. When we do parisheshanam, we offer we offer the annam to the Vaishvanara Agni, which is in the stomach. Aham Vaishvanaro Bhutva Praninam Dehamashataha Pranapana Samayuktaha Pachamyannam comes in 15th chapter of the Gita. 15th chapter of the Gita, most of the people know because it is chanted before eating. So the first thing they memorize is 15th chapter because it is chanted before food, before eating. And the 15th chapter, the shloka is Aham Vaishvanaro Bhutva Praninam Dehamashataha. This Vaishvanara Agni, which is located in, which is to which this annam is offered. That is why when the parisheshanam is done, pranaya swaha, apanaya swaha, vyanaya swaha, udanaya swaha, samanaya swaha, all the five functions of the prana, which at the individual it is referred to because of the total. This annam is offered. This annam is offered to the Virat. This annam is offered to the Virat. Annam is first done Naivedyam to the Virat. Because the individual enjoys this because of the total. So therefore, with annam, Virat is worshipped. So Virat Agni, which is there in the individual, the same Virat is meditated upon. Is meditated upon by the upasakas in the Agni, which is kindled in the fire. So therefore Virat is Agni. Virat is Agni Tattvam. And that Agni, which is well protected, like the Garbha is protected by the Garbhini, it is well protected by the Aranya. Aranyoho Nigitam. And that Agni, that Virat, that fire, that Agni, the Virat which is in the form of Agni, it is worshipped by the yogis, by the upasakas, and by the karmis. And that Virat is Brahma. Etad Vaitat, and that Virat is Brahma. The Virat, the Agni which represents Virat, is nothing but Brahma. Etad Vaitat, this is what you asked, O Nachiketa. This is the meaning of this mantra. The Vashyam we will see. You will see that in the next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
धन्यवाद जी।
धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः जी।
धन्यवाद जी।
धन्यवाद जी।